Hi, so some of you guys are going to be working on the think page today. If you do not have the think page, then you can work on the cut and paste activity, which is the other video. So let's look at our questions today. We're going to answer number 1, what is your favorite animal? Why? Number 2, who is in your family? And number 3, would you like to go to a zoo? Why? So let's first answer number 1. So I'm going to answer for myself. If you agree with my answers, you're more than welcome to follow along and write the same. Or if you have other answers, which you probably will, you can write your own answers. You can also use an AAC to help you write the sentence, or your iPad or Talker to use it, write a sentence as well. So let's start with number 1. What is your favorite animal? Why? So we are going to first start by putting our question in our answer. So we're going to say, my favorite animal is, oh my goodness, is a, now let me think, what is my favorite animal? So I'm going to say that my favorite animal is an elephant because they are very smart animals. So I wrote, my favorite animal is an elephant because they are very smart animals. Elephants like to be together. They're very social. They have families. They're very smart. And I just think they're really cool animals. I think they look really cool with their trunks, right? Those are all cool things. That's my question. That's my answer. Number 2, who is in your family? So I'm going to write, in my family, I have a son, a daughter, and my husband. So that's for me. But for you, you could say, in my family, I have a mom, dad, brother, sister, grandma, grandpa, uncle, aunt. So those are all options that you can put. Any of those are good. So I wrote, in my family, I have a son, a daughter, and my husband. So that's me. But you can write something like, in my family, I have a mom, dad, brother, sister, grandma, grandpa, uncle, aunt. Any of those can work. And our last question, number 3, would you like to go to a zoo? Why? So we could say, I would like to go to a zoo because I would like to go to the zoo because I can see many animals there. So we could write, would you like to go to the zoo? Why? I would like to go to the zoo because I can see many animals there. And at the San Francisco Zoo, we see lots of animals. There's tigers and lions. I don't think there's elephants, but there's lots of animals there. I'm sorry, my son is over here. Kai, can you go over there for a second? Let me finish reading this. So let's go. Shh. Okay. Shh. So number 1, what is your favorite animal? Why? My favorite animal is an elephant because they are very smart animals. 2, who is in your family? In my family, I have a son, a daughter, and my husband. But something you could write is, in my family, I have a mom, dad, brother, sister, grandma, grandpa, uncle, and aunt. And number 3, would you like to go to the zoo? Why? And I said, I would like to go to the zoo because I can see many animals there. But maybe you'll feel differently. Maybe you say you don't want to go to the zoo because the animals might look sad. So everyone has different answers. But the zoo also has a park. It also has different activities there that you can do as well.